Now we'll have 5 rounds, the Shambhavi Mudra, the eyebrow center gazing. Open your eyes, look in front, and then turn your eyeball towards the eyebrow center, gazing at the eyebrow center, and no blinking and no overstrain. Moment you find any strain in the eyes, shut your eyes. Shut your eyes now. Right, left, jaw, both eyes muscles. Relax completely before we open the eyes for the next round. Once it is relaxed, open your eyes, look in the front, and turn your eyeball upward to the eyebrow center. The eyebrow center gazing the Shambhavi Mudra, being one pointed. Try not to blink. Shut your eyes once again. Then relax the eyes muscle, right eye, the left eye, around muscle. Relax completely. Open your eyes, look in the front, and turn your gaze to the eyebrow center. And stay concentrated, being one pointed, focused, no blinking. Once again, shut the eyes. Allow the eyes muscle to relax. The right, the left. Observe both eyes around muscle. Relax completely. Check your spine. The spinal cord is straight, upright. Chest relaxed. Shoulder relaxed. No strain on the face. Going for the 4th round. Open your eyes and look up to the eyebrow center. No blinking, one pointed. Shut the eyes and relax completely. Right eye, left eye, eyes, muscle. Relax completely, no strain at all. And then going for the final 5th round. Open your eyes, turn the gaze upward. Look at the eyebrow center, no blinking. Just go ahead without any blinking the last round. Shut the eyes completely. Observe the eyes. Mentally observe right, left. One by one, relax both of them, finding any strength. Relax eyes muscles completely. Eyes muscle, round muscle, facial muscle completely relaxed.